excited. Oh my god, I can't believe this. Okay, so like I got my skates, and I've been waiting since April 10th for them. And oh, hi, hello. Did I say hi? I don't know, but anyways, like they've been in my house like for a good 40 minutes already, and I haven't opened them because I wanted to get ready. So I just did like my makeup, and then I started listening to music, and I was just like, I kept putting it off because I just like, it's not that the excitement's gonna be over because obviously I'm gonna skate, but like, I don't know, like just the wait made it like so much more exciting. But anyways, I got the Jack Boots. This is not gonna be a review or anything because obviously I haven't skated them, but I got them from Pigeon Skate Shop. Oh my god, look how it's bigger than me. Okay, let's open them. I'm so excited. I bought these because my Kaya skates, they fit me like too small ones, and I started skating my Impalas again, and I really liked the heel. Even though the Kaya skates have a heel, it's like, it's different, you know, it's a different type of feel. But I really fuck with my Kaya skates, like don't get me wrong, I really fuck with them. And also I wanted Moxi's, and I wanted them for my birthday because my birthday's April 17th. And then I was just gonna get the lollies, but then I was like, yo, go big or go home. So my parents put it. I don't know what I was saying. I was running out of storage, so I stopped the video. But anyways, I'm opening my skates. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh, I just saw it shorty. Hey. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm so excited though. That glare. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. I need to be present with this. Wow, it's so beautiful. I've never seen these in person. I'm talking about the box too. Like, I haven't seen my skates. Can you guys see? You guys can't. Hold up, let me go back here. Excuse me, freeze. Okay. Oh my goodness. I hope they fit. Wow. They smell so new. Look at how beautiful. I'm gonna switch this and this out. Maybe the wheels. Wow. This I can't tell you guys like how much they will be if you guys get some, but like my setup was $620. I got nylon plates just because like I'm pretty light, so I don't think I would break them anytime soon. Yeah, these are the Sure Grip rock plates. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. Wow, thank you. Like, I feel so blessed to like have these in my presence because like I never thought I would even have like the Moxi lollies, and now I have the freaking Jack Boots. Wow. Look at the they're tight. Like, they're so tight on here. I'm sorry, I'm like not really showing you guys because like I just want to see them, but look at the tongue. Oh my gosh, oh my god, it's gonna be so freaking hot to skate in these. Like, hello. Oh my god, so cushiony. I can't wait to break them in. It says 10 hours. It says before using, wear them in. They require 10 hours break-in time. Well, I'm kind of a baby. Like, I didn't even break in my Doc Martens, and then I never wore them because I had to break them in. But skating is like my life, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna break these in. Look at how pretty. They're so beautiful. I love the yellow plate. I got a hot pink plate, but then they messaged me saying they didn't have it and I would have to wait another month, and I was like, no, just give me the yellow plate. And it's good because I bought all this yellow stuff like before I even got that email, so it's like it goes perfectly still. but I feel that's smelling my boot. But yeah, I've been waiting since April 10th, so this is just so amazing. And let me just fix the chucks because they're super tight. Oh my gosh. I don't got strength. Yes. I almost don't want to put my yellow laces just because they're laced like so well. Like super tight on there. Okay, let's switch out this toe stop. I need to find my other tool. I got these in a 5.5, which translates to a 6.5 or 7, I think. I'm a 6.5 /7 in women's. So it's kind of hard for me to make the call because a lot of my friends have the lollies and they just got a size 5 and they're the same size as me and it fits them perfectly, but I know these are a little bit more snug. So I wanted to do a half size. Plus you don't have to pay for the half size when it comes to Jack Boots. I know with lollies, if you get a half size, it's like an extra $100. For what reason, I don't know. But okay, so this is how the inside looks like. There's grass in here. Well, hey, because of me, because I put them on. But this is the tongue. This is the little inside. It just has like vintage looking stuff. I don't know. But yeah, I tried it on because I was like gonna start messing with it, and I was like, wait, do they even fit? But they do. And this is the tool you need, by the way, to take off your toe stops. Not this. I'm gonna start with lacing them up. Or should I do the toe stops first? I'm gonna lace them up first.
Oh, hell yeah.